Kurangaituku. My story, my name, me. My name tells a story, perhaps a story familiar to you. Stories live through you and you through them. A story does not live until it is told. The initial thought in the storyteller's head is a quickening. It is the spark of something. It is the beginning. I will try and share my story with you, but these shapes and groups that you think of as words cannot convey the experience. They are an approximation. Is it truly possible to understand the life of another? But I will tell you my story anyway. It is enough for you to have a taste, to run your tongue along the edge of my blade. This story does not dwell within me, but in the space between us. I cannot hold this story too tightly to myself. To live, it must have room to grow. Remember the story of how the gods separated the Sky Father, Ranganui, from his wife, Papatuanuku, the Earth Mother. Rangi and Papa held each other in such a tight embrace that their children could not thrive. It is only when Tane Mahuta forced them apart that life could flourish. Is it not the same for a story? It lives in the telling. I live in the telling. But that is telling.